Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Ads account without creating a campaign. So basically, Google tries to force you to create a campaign when you create a Google Ads account. And quite often you might not be ready to start a campaign straight away. You just want to create an account and get familiar with it before you start a campaign. So here's how you do it, right? So I'm just going to sign in. I'm just going to go into new Google Ads account. And then I'm going to, as I said, it's going to force me to create a campaign. So I'm just going to go along with it for now. So create your first campaign. I'm just going to put in my business name and my business address. If I can get it right. Okay, so that one, and then I'm going to just go along with that. Reviewing your URL, just stick with that. That's fine. It's found it. Continue. And then I'm going to skip here. And basically, you see down here, right? It says not ready for a campaign, set up an account only, just down here. I'm going to click there, and that skips all this stuff. So set up an account only. Click on there. And this is crucial. So billing country, I'm in the UK, GMT, fine. Make sure that you choose your currency correctly. Now, in this case, it's already sort of second guessed what the currency is. But if you set the currency wrong there, it's a real pain to change it once the account's set up. So don't do that. So make sure you get that right. Hit continue. And then it's going to ask for payment details, yada, yada. That's all fine. I'm going to say I don't want personalized guidance. And then I'm going to hit submit. And then it's going to ask me to verify all this stuff. Fine. I'm just going to stick in my details. I might have to blank some of this stuff out. That's fine. Okay, verify all that. And then once it's happy with my payment details, then I'm in. The account's created. I can hit continue. And I've got my brand new Google Ads account. Actually, hang on a minute. Tell us about your organization. I'm just going to say select if you mostly manage ads for clients. I'm just going to say yes. Do you want to verify today? Who do you? Okay, my agency. Save and continue. Yeah, fine. Okay, so I'm in now, and this is my Google Ads account without a campaign. So obviously when I'm ready to run the campaign, I click into new campaign and I go from there. You'll see this thing down here about promotions. I've got a separate video that I'll link in the description below about how the promotions work and how if this is a new account for you, then you should definitely apply for free credit. So I hope that you found that helpful. That's how you create a new Google Ads account without creating a campaign at the same time. So all the best. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them in the comments below, and have a great day.